June 28, 1948, Fukui, Japan. A summer afternoon, quiet and humid, until the ground convulses beneath the city. A magnitude 6.8 earthquake strikes at 4:13 p.m., its epicenter just north of the city. In an instant, the city crumbles. Nearly 80% of Fukui's buildings collapse, many reduced to splinters. The soft alluvial soil amplifies the quake's force, toppling homes, shops, and even the historic Maruoka Castle. As people scramble for safety, fires ignite, sparked by overturned stoves and ruptured gas lines. With water mains shattered and roads impassable, the flames rage unchecked for 5 days. Entire neighborhoods vanish in the inferno. At a theater in central Fukui, the roof collapses, trapping hundreds inside as fire engulfs the building. Elsewhere, a department store crumbles, while the adjacent bank, built on deep foundations, remains eerily intact. The death toll reaches 3,769, with over 22,000 injured. More than 36,000 buildings are destroyed. Weeks later, torrential rains breach the damaged levees of the Kuzuryū River, flooding what little remains. Fukui is left in ruins, a city erased multiple times, by earth, by fire, then by water. Today, Fukui calls itself the City of the Phoenix, but beneath its modern skyline, the scars remain, quiet reminders of a day when the ground opened and the city burned.